Seek none.
Seek none.
We are back. We are currently on, what are we on, 271?
Yeah.
We're on 271 South. We are going to Columbus, Ohio. Today is Friday, April 3rd. It's 9:30. Tried to do a practice day yesterday at a lake. You know, these rainy conditions really didn't help us at all.
Yeah, no, torrential downpour the last week. Tornadoes everywhere. No bueno.
Yeah, fish weren't happy. We weren't happy. Got Waffle House though.
We did indeed do that.
But yeah, going down to Buckeye Lake, man. Get down there at like noon, 1 o'clock. Gonna try to fish it up today for a practice day, and then tomorrow we gotta be at the ramp at like 5 a.m. for our tournament down there. So hopefully we get on some fish.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, we were both fishless this year.
That is very true.
Not too happy about that, but yeah.
We made it. We made it. Tell them what's good, bro.
You tell them what's good.
What Buckeye Lake? We've been here about, I don't know, 5 minutes. Oh yeah. What kind of fish are they though? We really don't know, man. We don't know right now. Could be some crappie. Shit. Bro, what is that jumping, dude? Like, I don't even got an idea. There's a fish. Oh my God.
What is that, white bass?
Yeah. I was rolling though. Well, he choked it, man. Yeah, well, not the fish species, but hey, we got a fish in the boat, buddy. I think this is just a white bass. Thank you, buddy. He smoked it, man. That's what I'm throwing and shit.
Is that in Texas?
Yeah, it's look.
YouTube! What is up, baby?
We waiting.
Waiting.
We waiting for them to call number boat 16.
There's like 80 boats out here, man. I don't understand it, man. I don't get it. Got Nick and Ryan right there. They're probably gonna follow us around the whole day because they're just lost in the sauce. We were supposed to post a video yesterday, but once again,
I got some footage.
the conditions weren't right. Sam caught one white bass. Spoiler alert.
We gonna get them today though.
But yeah, there's 2 full parking lots filled up of just boats.
There's probably 80,
There's probably 80.
70, 80 boats.
We are
16.
boat number 16, baby.
Let's go.
You know what that means? We take off after 15, baby.
Let's go. Turn up. Catch you in like 40 minutes.
Let's go. Let's get out from him.
We fishing. We fishing. Garrett has the shit. Finally made it out. We probably sat in the boat for an hour, bro. Probably sat in the boat for like an hour. Waiting. I guess we could just go around that way. And... Well, once we get over here, you can shit. You want to just run over there? I kind of like this point. Fish? Holy shit. That's a good one. Take your time, buddy.
Come on, baby.
Hey, open that. See if it's working. Dude. Where'd it go?
Fucking dead, baby.
Yeah, he's floating.
Come on.
Come on.
The point, dude.
The point.
Ladies and gentlemen, mission accomplished. We have one largemouth bass during the tournament in that very box right there. May not be the biggest, but hey, we are on the board on April 4th, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, man. Making a move.
Yeah, oh yeah. Fucking catfish, dude. You want a picture?
Sorry.
So, a little update. We haven't given you guys an update. We got one fish in the tank.
Yeah, we do.
About a 110, I think it was. 1.9, 110. 110. Caught a catfish. Just brutal day for the Seek None viewers here.